Okay, hello everybody, and welcome once again, guys. I want to start out by thanking everybody, guys, for going through with the break tonight. Thank you so much for all purchases, and if you haven't sent in payment, please do so now, please. Tonight we're gonna get right to it, guys. It's gonna be Friday night. The time up there in the right-hand corner, guys. About 20 minutes till 10 p.m. The auction ended about 10 minutes ago, guys. I got some payments in. So we're going to rock and roll, guys. I also have a list here just so you're aware the video is current and that you're at the correct auction. And as always, guys, any questions at all or if you need assistance with anything, just send me a message. I'll be more than happy to help. Be sure to check out current and future breaks too, fellas. Gonna have some pretty neat ones coming up. And of course, best of luck to everyone tonight. Hopefully we can pull some good cards, man. We usually always do well with this stuff. Hopefully tonight's another good night, guys. And that's enough jabbing out of me, fellas. Best of luck to everybody. We should have five on-card autographs, fellas. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, that should do it. Okay. Empty box. And we will get started, fellas. Here we go, man. Up first, we have Tyler Gaffney. Tyler Gaffney. And of course, guys, it goes to all current NFL teams. Tyler Gaffney. Not bad at all. Very nice. Okay, up next, we have a mini, guys. Check this one out. Jace Amaro, mini yellow. Nice signature there. All these are on card too, guys. Very nice. Oh, cool. That one's numbered to 99, fellas. 16 of 99 for Amaro. Very nice. Another mini. C.J. Mosley. Looks like he sneezed when he signed this, right? C.J. Mosley. Nice. Up next, guys, another mini yellow. Eric Ebron. Eric Ebron. Numbered. Check that out. 24 of 25. That's sweet. Very nice. 24 of 25 for Mr. Ebron. And last, but definitely not least, guys, it's another mini. It's another yellow. Check this one out, guys. Aaron Murray, number 11. Aaron Murray. And this one is numbered 2. 85. 9 of 85. Aaron Murray. Very nice short print there. Very nice. Okay, fellas, that's going to do it for tonight. Thank you so much, guys, for all purchases. Be sure to check out current and future breaks, guys. If you have any questions or need anything, just message me. I'm always around, fellas. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful evening.